So this is another episode of our pepper, yam and cocoyam garden farm. So now I would like to talk about how to propagate yam, when and how to plant it. So there are three methods I know how to propagate cocoyam. The first one is, you can see, look at this cocoyam, and this one now, when you plant cocoyam after like 8 months after you harvest it, this one you can just keep it. You will start to be harvesting cocoyam by anything August, September, October till January till February. So whenever, maybe when you harvest your cocoyam, you harvested it during the dry spell, then you can just keep this one in a cool place. You understand? Then during the first week of, as in during the rainy season, March, then you can just cut this one. You can cut it like this. Now I can cut this into like 40 pieces, just single one, then plant it. But then this one, it is only good when you are planting this one. It is only good at least maybe March. It must have already been planted. So whenever you are using this one to propagate your cocoyam, you understand, you keep it in, when you harvest, you keep it in a cool places. Then by March, then you cut it, then you plant it. It will not be good that you will be planting like this one by ending of April or early May, because it will take time to germinate, and it will not, as in, before it germinates, then do this, it will not meet up with the time. So then that is that one. Then you can see all these small one. When you harvest your cocoyam, there are some small one that you cannot peel. So all these small one, you can just select them to one side. Then by March, first or second week, or let me say March, you can then go and plant them, all these small one. But then if you wanted to plant by anything May or ending of April, this is what I would suggest you to plant. Maybe all this one, maybe there are some cocoyam in your surroundings that where they germinate is not normal. You just go there, you root them, then you cut the head like this, you can see, then you plant them. Maybe when you are planting by ending of April or May. So this is what you plant, and cocoyam in 6 months it will be ready for harvest. So that is that. And in our garden, you can see this is a heap. There's a yam here, there's pepper here, and there's cocoyam here. So, and how to plant it, very simple. So if you wanted to plant like this one, you can just put it here like this. That is it. So that is how to plant cocoyam. So if you are planting this one too, very simple too. Just plant it like this, it will germinate. You can see, that is it. So, and all this one now, this is how to cut it. I'll cut it like this. All this will germinate. Just put them inside hole like this. And see, just put them inside hole. That is how to plant it. So, like I've been saying in my previous videos on this particular project, not everything you should be buying. If you have a little compound, if you have some little space in your compound, plant simple things, cocoyam, pepper, and see us here. there's a little farm here too. You can see this is cassava, this is maize, and there are some natural water leaf also. You can see, look at it here. These are water leaf. These are water leaf vegetable. See, look at it over there. Just show them. See the maize. All this space is not even up to 2 plots. So not everything you should be buying. If there's anything you wanted to ask me, just put it in the comment section. Thank you.